What is a rhetorical question? Normally, when we ask each other questions, we expect answers. How are you today? I'm kind of sleepy. Did you go to bed late? Yeah, I was reading a really interesting book. Most questions require answers, but there are some kinds of questions known as rhetorical questions where no real answer is expected. These questions are asked for effect, to place emphasis on some point. Hey, I have a free ticket to the hockey game this evening. Do you want to come with me? Is the sky blue? Of course I want to go with you. The question, do you want to come with me, requires an answer, but the question, is the sky blue, does not. The sky is obviously blue, so asking, is the sky blue, is another way of saying, obviously I will accept your free ticket. It's a rhetorical question, because it's asked for effect, to place emphasis on the point that the answer is certainly yes. Rhetorical questions aren't just used casually in daily conversation. They can strengthen an argument too. Let's say you wanted to argue that we need to lower our global carbon emissions to ensure a positive future for the next generation. You might say, do you really want our planet to survive? This is a rhetorical question because the answer is obviously yes. The question is meant to draw someone to the heart of your argument. Let's say you wanted to argue that school uniforms are a nuisance. You might say, wouldn't you feel happier if you could wear what you wanted to school? The purpose of this question is not to begin a conversation. It's not looking for an answer. Rather, it exists as a bridge or a path towards the argument. In fact, many questions that begin with the word wouldn't exist as pathways into arguments. Consider these lyrics from the Beach Boys. Wouldn't it be nice if we were older? Then we wouldn't have to wait so long. And wouldn't it be nice to live together in the kind of world where we belong? These questions aren't waiting for answers. Instead, they are working together to create an image of an ideal world. Aren't rhetorical questions interesting? Try using them in conversation, just for fun.